Hey guys, in today's video we are going to make an amazing snake game in Scratch. By the way, I am Nandini and this is my elder brother Sriyansh.
Hi.
And we are the MiniMakers. So let's start. I am going to first delete the sprite and make another snake sprite. So to do that, we are first going to set the color to somewhat default, and then we are going to make a square. You can make this square according to your convenience. Now we're going to make black circles. But first, I'm going to resize it, then I'm going to color it. We're going to set the color to black. As you can see, it's not happening as we've not selected the circle. So let's select it and change the color to black. Now we are simply going to select the circle and copy paste it and place it here. Now we are going to make the tongue of the snake. So we are going to set the color to black. We are going to set the color to red. And change the size. So as you can see, this is perfect. Now we are going to go and take a sprite that we need the snake to eat. I'm going to choose donut. But as you can see, it is so big in front of the snake, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to change its size to 50, which is perfect. Now I'm going to make the start screen and the end screen. So today I'm going to show you how to make a gradient background. So to do that, we're going to go to fill, change the color, and you can choose any gradient you want, or the solid color. But I'm going to use this circle gradient, and I'm going to use hot colors for the start screen. The outer part would be bright yellow and the inner part would be somewhat reddish orange. I'm going to select square and make a square. As you can see, we've made the start screen. Now we're going to make the end screen with hot but gold colors. The inner part will be dark blue and the outer part would be light blue. Now we are going to make the square and just increase it from the side. But this is not the end. We also have to write the text, which will be written in dark Prussian blue. I'm going to write game over, try again. But if you want, you can write something else. Now I am going to place it here, and then I'm going to change the font of try again to marker. We will increase try again and game over size. Yes, mean the start screen and the end screen. Now we're going to proceed to the code. First, we're going to take the event when green flag clicked, go to looks and take the switch background block because we want it to start from the start screen. We're going to change this to switch background to backdrop 1. I'm going to make the score variable, the speed variable and the clone variable. Now we don't want speed and clone to show on this state, so we are going to click on the blue tick marks, and now we are going to set the variables. We are going to duplicate these and then place beneath each other. We'll change these to score and speed, and we will set clone to 0.3, score to 0 and speed to 4. Now we are going to go to control, take the forever loop. Now we are going to take the if loop and put if key space pressed, but it wouldn't be space, it would be up arrow. We are going to go to motion and put point and direction block in the loop and change the degree to 0. Now we are going to make a duplicate of this, change again, duplicate the loop and once more. Now we're going to change this to down arrow and the degree to 180 degrees. This would be right arrow, which would be 90 degrees. And left arrow, which would be minus 90 degrees. Now we are going to put move 10 steps here and put wait 0.02 seconds. Now as you can see, it is moving, but it is looking like a mouse, right, Simon?
Yeah, you're totally right.
So, to prevent that, we are going to make the clone. We are going to take when green flag clicked, take off the envelope, take and put create clone of myself and go to looks and take change color effect by 25 and put it beneath. Now let's see the final outcome. But as you can see, it is continuing. It is not stopping or cutting from behind like a snake goes. So we are going to put when I start as a clone event from control category. Go and take the forever loop. We're going to wait 1 second, but instead of putting a digit here, we're going to put clone, and then we're going to go to control category and delete this clone here. Now let's see. As you can see, now it is perfect. Now what we want is when the snake touches the donut, the score changes and the snake makes a biting sound. So we are going to go to donuts script, take when green flag click. Now we are going to go to looks and put show here. Now we are going to put sensing here. The motion block go to random position. Put the forever loop here. Now we are going to put the if loop here. And now we are going to put the sensing if touching mouse pointer, but it will be sprite 1. So we are going to go to variables and put change clone by 1 block and duplicated, and the second and the first one will be score. The first one, the score will change by 1 and this clone will change by 0.1. Now we are going to go to looks and we're going to go to sound. Take start sound chomp and go to random position. Now let's see the outcome of this code. As you can see, it's perfect. Now we want that if the snake touches the edges, then the game is over. So to do that, we are going to take when green flag clicked, take the forever loop, take the if loop inside the forever loop. Now we're going to go to the sensing category, take the touch sensing and put edge here. Now inside it, we are going to put if it touches the edge, this backdrop changes to the end screen. And now we're going to go to block here and put 0 in X and Y. We have made a snake. CH, have you pranked anyone?
Yeah, I have. And definitely you.
Hey guys, we've reached to the end of this video and made an amazing snake game in Scratch. But this is not the end of this journey. To keep your inspirations flowing, click and watch on these 4 videos. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Meet you in the next lesson.